Side unwrapping gifts, as long as your head doesn't get stuck, Josh.
Good point there, Sam. I love it. Yeah, this morning was dry and quiet right through the middle part of the day. And then late in the afternoon, the evening now, this rain is falling over my head. Did work in the area, and we're not going to see a pause in the rain, at least until sometime late tomorrow into tomorrow evening. Let's take a look at the maps, though. We do have some alerts going on still in parts of our viewing area. Flood watches are in effect for Oneida, Madison, Shenango, Cortland and Tompkins counties, not Onondaga County, and not the city of Syracuse. They're in effect through late tomorrow night, and the main area I would agree with the National Weather Service for the spots that could see some flood issues right here, Oneida County, Madison, Shenango. Basically, the eastern half of these counties, there's been a shift in a lot of the computer models, kind of more in line with my thinking from last night, that areas east of Syracuse, east of 81 would have the majority of the rain coming through the area. Cortland and Tompkins counties at a lesser degree, but still not zero chance of flooding there. I think there's a lot of puddles and ponding of water here in Syracuse. All right, tonight on your phone as you are scrolling and watching the news, of course, here, we do have a new weather story posted on our CNY Central mobile news app. I've got new information about the rain tonight. Also, like last night, county by county rainfall forecast maps. You can zoom into your county, your town, your village. I've also got a sneak preview of the Christmas Day forecast. That's next Monday. It's also right here on our website, cnycentral.com. You can take a look at that tonight. We'll also have a new update on that Christmas forecast tonight at 11. Temperatures right now, 47 at the airport in Syracuse, 45, Cortland 46, Hamilton. Look out towards Rochester 53, Elmira at 50 right now. Live triple Doppler sponsored by Falso Service Experts. It's a light rain right now out on the weather deck here. Some steadier rain to the east, Madison, Oneida County, also more rain out over Lake Ontario. What's happening is we have a couple areas of low pressure, one from the west, one to the south, and I think the southern one right here, lots of heavy rain there across the Carolinas and Virginia. This is all being kind of absorbed into this low up to our west, and they're going to work together to keep the rain going. We'll see the actual speed of the system in the next 24 hours, and that will also help determine who will see the most rainfall and where. Futurecast hour by hour tonight. Off and on, light to moderate rain, and thinking tomorrow morning when you're waking up, and maybe late tonight, you might hear some downpours outside your house or apartment on the roof or the windows. Look at this. Tomorrow morning, 7 a.m., east of 81. We're talking about Lowville, Rome, Kaz, Hamilton, Utica, Norwich. That's where the bulk of the heaviest rain will be. We'll still have some heavy downpours possible here in Syracuse. Then the rain kind of pauses for a bit. We get some lake-enhanced rain, and then we flip it over to some lake-enhanced snow into Tuesday morning. Temperatures here will be going below the freezing mark. Some of that snow will be sticking and causing some accumulation and slick travel. All right, similar to last night, my rainfall forecast, thing about the same, about an inch to inch and a half in the aqua shading there, including the Syracuse area, areas of the east, and the magenta and the maroon. Look at maybe an inch and a half to 2 inches, locally more. All right, next 7 days, 50 and falling tomorrow, probably low 40s by the end of the day, and the winds will be coming around to the north. Tuesday, cold, blustery lake snow, sticking the roads and causing some blowing snow conditions, and then quiet weather, good for travel if you're doing any of that. Wednesday, right through the weekend, chance of some sprinkles and flurries into Christmas Eve on Sunday. Sam.